Conference calls present a unique situation when it comes to public speaking. You can't see the chairperson or any of the other people in the call. So you might be taking the call at your desk or maybe in a room on a speakerphone. Trying to jump in when people are discussing something on a conference call can be tricky. So let's see what tools we can use to make this a better experience for you and for everyone else on the call. First, mute your phone if you're not talking. This is pretty basic, but it happens all the time. Don't be the heavy breather or the person sipping your coffee while the conference call is in session. If you don't know how to put your phone on mute, take the time to figure it out before the call. If you have even 5 people or more on the call, not muting your phone can be really distracting for everyone on the call. Second, if you want to jump in, make sure to identify yourself. Here's an example. Hi everyone, this is Mark. I wanted to ask a question. Here's another example. Hey there, can I jump in for a second? This is Mark. I wanted to make a good point about whatever you're talking about. It's simple but effective. Third, I've seen situations where someone is talking and they're explaining a concept on the phone, and then they get interrupted rather abruptly with a question or a comment. This can be a little jarring. Again, remember, no one can see each other, so we can't use any nonverbal cues like raising your hand or gesturing, for example. So if you're going to jump in on a call, consider what I call tacking on to whatever was said last. So here's an example. Hi guys, Mark here. I'd like to jump in for a second. I really like what Brenda just said when she explained how the system works. I'd like to ask one clarifying question, please. Okay, do you see? I didn't just jump in with the question. What I did was tack on, and I paid a compliment to Brenda, and it mentally reset everyone's expectation that someone else was about to shift the direction of the meeting. I'll be exploring many more tips and ideas for public speaking, training, and facilitation on this channel. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.